Attention fishermen. Now there's a revolutionary lure that experts say catches too many fish. So easy. Charge them like your cell phone. They charge in minutes so you can fish for hours. When it hits the water, it begins to flash, buzz, and twitch, so the big fish think it's an injured bait fish. These twitching lures catch every species of fresh or saltwater fish. The secret is in the patented VibraStrike technology. The lure flashes, buzzes, and twitches to attract fish from miles away. Fish can't resist that twitch because it triggers their urge to strike, programmed deep down in their DNA.
They feel it and they bite it.
Bass, trout, salmon, tuna, mahi, amberjack, salt or fresh, big or small, the twitching lure catches them all. It's
After the other, fish after fish. Fantastic.
Watch this. We turned on the camera and a stopwatch. Here's the cast. Pow! Here's the fish. 10 seconds. A twitching lure works that fast. Now, look at them all go for it. This is a live strike in the open ocean. Fish can't resist a lure with a twitch. It triggers their DNA.
I can see it flashing when it's in the water.
Fish magnet.
You're not going to find another lure like it on the planet Earth.
The rechargeable twitching lure has been featured in USA Today and even major fishing magazines. The twitching lure takes the guessing out of fishing. This one lure replaces them all.